Hi, this is Sue Chong, and I want to tell you how to keep your HVAC system running well by flushing the system every once in a while. They say every month, but I think every quarter or even every 6 months is good. So this is how you do it. Turn the HVAC system to off position. 1 cup 5% distilled vinegar. You put your thermostat to off position before you pour down the vinegar. Find the HVAC system flushing pipe, just like this, and pour in your 1 cup 5% vinegar, distilled vinegar. You can see it going down, probably flushing the system. Wait for about 30 minutes before you turn on the HVAC system to have a chance for this vinegar to go down and clean your system. Voila, it's done in less than 5 minutes, and it'll keep your HVAC efficient, clean, and long lasting. That's your tips for today.